everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. All I have to say is the internet made me do it. Today we're going to be making a dish that I have seen in my reels, in my shorts, and sometimes in a random TikTok video. This is a pierogi and smoked sausage dish that you make in the slow cooker. I thought I'd give it a try because we love pierogies, we love smoked sausage. We thought it sounded really delicious. So we're going to make this together and we're going to tell you how we feel about it after we give it a try. So I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Today we're going to be making a super easy slow cooker meal that the internet made me do it. I'm not going to lie. So many times I see things in my feed on Facebook or wherever, on YouTube, shorts, reels, what have you, where people have just thrown some really interesting ingredients in a crock pot, or they've made some really interesting recipe. So I'm going to start a little series called The Internet Made Me Do It, and we're going to do these from time to time, but today we're going to start with this one. This is a pierogi and Polish sausage meal, really. But it looked super simple and it looked really delicious to us, so we're going to give this a try. You're going to start off with 1 or 2 pounds of your favorite pierogies. Today I'm using 1 pound box of these Mrs. T's 4 cheese medley. This is my favorite brand of frozen pierogies. I don't make my own. These are delicious and that's okay with me. You use whatever you like. You can use 1 or 2 pounds here. Today I'm using 1 because today is just me and Rick at home. We're using 1 link of Polish sausage. This is like beef kielbasa. We're going to use about 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, 1 brick of cream cheese that's been cubed, and 1 32-ounce box of chicken stock, bone broth, chicken broth, whatever you like. So now we're going to throw this all together. Okay, so this is as easy as it gets. We're going to take our pierogies and we're going to put them in the bottom of the vessel. We're going to do the same with our smoked sausage. And mine was frozen and I just sliced it up. So you use whatever is your favorite. Now we're going to go ahead and go in with the cream cheese. We're going to sprinkle in our cheddar cheese. This is all going to come together when it cooks. And we're going to use some of this chicken stock. Now, when you use 2 pounds of pierogies, you're probably going to want to use all 4 cups that's in this box. Quite honestly, I don't think I need to use that much. So I'm going to use half a box. Now I'm going to put this in my crock pot for 4 hours on high, and when it's done, I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, our pierogi and smoked sausage slow cooker dinner is finished. Now I will say that earlier in the day I just put it on warm. I could have probably just turned it off. This was done in 2 hours, but my slow cooker runs really high, so yours may be different. So I would say at the 2-hour mark, you know, just open the lid, give it a check, and then stir it up, because all that cream cheese was going to melt and it's going to turn into this, you know, beautiful silky sauce. But you see how my cream cheese was a little lumpy? That's my fault because I did not soften the cream cheese before I put it in here. So I highly recommend that you zap your cream cheese in the microwave for about 30 seconds, or you let it sit out on the counter for a couple of hours before you prepare this for dinner. So that being said, we're going to go ahead and plate this up, and then we're going to tell you what we think about it, because this was an internet made me do it recipe, and I want to give you my honest opinion on it to let you know whether or not I feel like I'm going to make it again, and then you can make your own decision on whether you're going to try it. But everybody should try it because you might love this. So we'll be right back with a beautiful plate of this pierogi and smoked sausage dish. Alright, so here is our internet made me do it smoked sausage and pierogi slow cooker dish. And I'm going to have Rick try it. I have already tried it, and I have an opinion on it, and everyone's going to have their own opinion. But I wanted to tell you guys what we thought. So Rick has not tried this yet.
It smells good from the smoked sausage.
It smells delicious, right? The smoked sausage has really flavored this up. So we'll get a piece of pierogi, get a piece of smoked sausage, a little one here, thinner one. And we'll have you give this a try. What do you think?
I like the taste. Not crazy about the texture.
That was my assessment as well. Because when I make pierogies, And like I said, we only ever buy the frozen ones. I boil them, I drain them, and then I pan fry them in butter on both sides until they're brown and crispy. And we serve them, usually we serve them with fried cabbage and a little sour cream on the side, sometimes some applesauce. This is tasty, but the pierogies are very soggy and they've become mushy in my opinion. It's very salty because the smoked sausage and the cheese and the cream cheese. Do I think I'll make this again? Probably not. Do I think that I'll enjoy it for dinner tonight? Of course I will, because I made it and I'm not one to waste food.
I like your pierogies better.
Thank you. So if you guys are interested to see how I make my pierogies, even the frozen ones, leave a comment down below. Also, if you have some interest in maybe some viral recipe that you saw that you want me to try, leave that in a comment as well, and I will give it a try. Now, I will be trying some others, and there are a couple others I have in mind, but if you have recipes that you continually see online that people are saying are really awesome, and you haven't tried them, but you'd like to, let me know what they are, and then we'll make a list, and maybe we'll just be your guinea pig for you. Because sometimes they look really great, but they're not really great. This is an example of one of those. All of these things we really like. I just don't like this combination, and I really don't think that the slow cooker was necessary. I think this could have been baked in the oven for 45 minutes and it would have been fine. But as a result, we get really soggy pierogi and kind of overcooked smoked sausage, if you want the honest truth. So that's how the internet made me do it. That's what I think of it. If you want to give it a try, of course I encourage you to do that. And if you wanted to try it and now you've thought better of it, then more power to you. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and until next time, I'll see ya.